As a young Anne, I felt very much invincible. I have always been known as a bit of a Wonder Woman. And so I'm very tall and I'm very strong and I have a presence about me. I had done CrossFit before the military, and what I didn't realize about 6 months after I got out of the military, that actually hurt my body a little bit, and it caused some issues with my spine and my neck. And so I went from being this very strong individual to being someone who was grieving, because eventually, shortly after I left the military, my grandpa passed away. And I went from grieving to also grieving my career, grieving the fact that I had lost my identity, and I became incredibly sedentary. That was when I went into the chronic pain, and it was very difficult going from being this strong Wonder Woman to being this blob, essentially. On the pain scale, my worst days are absolutely out of 10. There are times where I just can't get out of bed. My normal average time is anywhere between a 6 and a 7 on the pain scale. I had connected with RS Medical through the VA. And so my physical therapist is like, I want you to try this device. And so I tried it, and I hurt my back a couple days prior, and I was in a lot of pain. I used it for 30 minutes, and I'm telling you what, I walked out of there with no pain. I was so excited because for the first time in 20 years, I did not feel pain after an injury. And it was so sudden, and it was so impactful that I broke down in my car. I was like, how is this even possible? So using something that doesn't take very long, that I can do when I'm just sitting on the couch or walking around, it was profound for me, because it allowed me to be pain-free without it completely having a negative impact on my life. When I see someone in pain, especially physical pain, it hurts me greatly, because I know what that's like. When someone tells me that they're always in pain, I can feel that because I've experienced it. Pain absolutely did define me for such a long time. And so, because I would have to constantly think about, is this going to cause me more pain? It was something going from being in a lot of pain to not, was a huge deal for me, because now I know that if it does cause me a little bit of pain, I'm okay now. So now it's kind of like when I talk to anyone that I know that has struggled with back pain, I'm like, I want to tell you all about this device because it is amazing.